Welcome to Android Video Lesson Shorts Edition. My name is Sebastian Colbert, and in this lesson we'll learn about Chrome Custom Tabs. Chrome Custom Tabs offer apps more control over their web experience. They allow seamless transitions between native and web content without using a WebView. Chrome app must be installed and set as a default browser on the device to take full advantage of Chrome Custom Tabs options. To get started, add the Android support library for Chrome Custom Tabs dependency to your Gradle build file. Make sure to get the latest version. For basic usage, create Custom Tab Intent Builder, then build the Custom Tabs intent. Start the intent by specifying the URL using the launch URL method. The resulting page will be displayed in the Chrome app. If you do not have Chrome app installed, the intent will launch the default browser installed on the device. Chrome Custom Tabs provides several configuration options to better blend into the hosting app. Let's briefly cover each one. To set toolbar color, call Set Toolbar Color method and pass in the color of your choice. Adding action buttons is a bit more involved. First, create bitmap object out of a drawable resource icon. Then, create the intent. Next, you need to create a pending intent which will be used to wake up the app when the user taps the icon. Finally, pass the bitmap text and the pending intent created by calling setActionButton method to add the icon. Adding menu items has similar steps as adding action buttons. First, create the intent. Next, you need to create a pending intent which will be used to wake up the app when the user taps the menu item. Finally, pass the text and the pending intent created by calling addMenuItem method to add the menu item. Many Android apps use custom transition animations between activities. With Chrome Custom Tabs, you can change the entrance and exit animations to keep them consistent with the rest of the app. Call setStartAnimations method to control how Chrome Custom Tabs will start and how the current activity will exit. Also, make sure to call setExitAnimations method to specify how Chrome Custom Tabs will exit and how the previous activity will start. That is all for this lesson. Visit androidvideolessons.com/shorts to get access to source code for this and other lessons. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I wish you happy coding.